Hi class, I'm going to give you a brief overview of week 3 of remote learning, September 21st through the 25th. So just like the previous weeks, you're going to see in the classwork tab of Google Classroom, underneath important 4th grade information, you will find week 3. The video, which you're watching now, is at the top, and then you're going to see each of the days. Notice on some days there's 2 assignments. That's because one of them is the Kami math assignment, if you would like to do it in Kami. However, now our math lessons are in your 4th grade journals. So if you do it in your journal, instead you may take a picture and attach it to Tuesday's assignments or the Tuesday Kami math assignment and turn it in that way. But I have to be able to see your work, so either do it in Kami or attach a picture. But I'm just going to go through a couple of these days. So for Monday, and the other days are set up similarly, I'm going to view assignment. I'm going to just go to edit so you can see it better. But for here at the very top, you'll see the live lessons in Zoom. So this is the one that you're going to click on for our live lessons. It is different than last week. It is now for the Prome account that Mrs. Park and I have. So make sure you use this link, and it's at the top of each day's assignments. We have our morning meeting in the morning, followed by our ELA lesson. Small groups this week are fluency testing, and it's just alphabetical. So the first 6 students are on Monday, the next 6 are on Tuesday, the next 6 are on Wednesday, and so on. And Friday will be our makeup day. And this week you have PE with Mrs. Rajek. So here is her Zoom link. You can join her class at 2:25. Underneath the live lessons, or the list of live lessons, there's the assignments. Make sure you read through all the instructions so that you know that you completed the assignments. So first, we're going to have our ELA lesson. So you'll have your Unit 1, Week 2, Day 1 Google Slides to complete, and I'll go through those in a little bit. Then you should do around 30 to 60 minutes of math skills every day. You do have Imagine Math accounts that are now ready to go for you, and I will show you how to get into those on Monday. So you can do a lesson on Imagine Math, or you can work on your multiplication facts, or you can work on Freckle, or you can go to multiplication.com or mathplayground.com. So you have options, but you should be getting 30 to 60 minutes of math skills in. You should also be getting 30 to 60 minutes of choice reading, whether you work on ELA skills at Freckle, or you're reading a book at home or online. It's also a great idea to practice your fluency or reading aloud, even if it's just to yourself in the mirror or to a pet, it still helps. And then for math, on Monday, it's actually a little bit different. You don't have an assignment from your journal. You are going to be doing the benchmark test in Imagine Math so that it can know where to start you at. And then Easy CBM, you should have finished the math, reading comprehension, and vocabulary last week, but if you didn't, use Monday to kind of make up anything you haven't finished, and we will do fluency together during small groups. Okay, I'm going to schedule this so we can go back to the assignment, and you can see, so here you can see the attachments. This is the presentation that I use to present the information to you. The other slides is the one you actually do. And then I have the video to introduce you to Imagine Math, and then the link to Easy CBM if you need to make up any of those assessments. When you are on the student side, if you click here, it says View Assignment. You will see that it has this next to the turn-in button and not this slide. So that's kind of a way to tell which one you're supposed to do. But I also made it so it says the date and ELA assignment next to it, so it's not confusing. The one that's the assignment, you will be able to write into directly. Now the first slide, make sure you read it. That's telling you what you have to complete. Okay, so anywhere you see blue text is another clue. I need to add text here for the definition, a sentence, and I need to insert an image that shows author's purpose. This is an extension or bonus box. If I know a synonym or a word that means the same thing as author's purpose, and if I know an antonym, I can put it in here. If not, that's totally fine. Then these are just instructions to help you out. And again, directions, read the directions, read the text. And then you'll notice wherever there's blue text that says add text here, that's a clue. That's what you need to fill in. Okay, and then the writing prompt, here's where your response starts, and it needs to be 5 to 8 complete sentences. Okay, again, go back to the first slide, make sure you completed all parts of the assignment. Once you finish all of these things that are under today's assignments, then you may turn it in. Tuesday, we don't have PE, we only have it Monday and Wednesday, so it's a little bit different, but again, the links are at the top. We have our live lesson link, we have morning meeting, math, small groups, ELA is later in the day. And then your assignments, it will tell you math. This is a journal page. So if you're not using Kami to do your math, make sure you take a picture and add it before submitting. Okay, and you can either add it to the Tuesdays or the Tuesday Kami. Either way, I will see it, but make sure you attach it. Math skills, reading skills, the ELA slides, and then there is science for this one, and there is a bonus activity. If you would like to do that, great. If not, that's okay. But you do need to complete the ELA slides and the Rube Goldberg machine slides for science. This is an extension piece, a part of the bonus. So go through, each day is set up similarly. Make sure you look at all the live sessions and you complete all parts of your assignments before submitting.